We interrupt this program with breaking news. NASA has just confirmed that the Moon is on a direct collision course with Earth. Scientists warn that we have less than 24 hours before impact. Governments worldwide are urging citizens to stay indoors, take cover, and prepare for the worst. But wait, how is this even possible? Could the Moon really crash into Earth? And if it did, what would happen next? Let's find out. Right now, the Moon is slowly drifting away from Earth, about 3.8 centimeters per year. But what if something reversed this? If the Moon suddenly changed direction and accelerated toward Earth, we'd have no way to stop it. And once the descent begins, nothing could save us. At first, we might not notice. But within hours, strange things start happening. The Moon's gravity intensifies. Tides rise hundreds of feet. Coastal cities, New York, Tokyo, London, flood within hours. Tsunamis the size of skyscrapers devastate entire countries. Massive storms form as Earth's atmosphere becomes unstable. But the worst is yet to come. The Moon's gravity doesn't just pull the oceans, it pulls the Earth itself. Supervolcanoes explode. Earthquakes ripple across the planet. Skyscrapers collapse. Civilization descends into chaos. The Moon is now so close that its gravitational pull is literally ripping Earth apart. And then, the final blow. As the Moon crosses Earth's Roche limit, its own gravity tears it into pieces. But don't think that saves us. Because now, instead of one giant impact, we get millions of city-sized meteors crashing down. And then, nothing. Total annihilation. The collision releases energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. Oceans evaporate. The Earth's surface melts. Within minutes, the planet is unrecognizable. Could anyone survive this? Maybe astronauts on the ISS? Maybe people hiding deep underground? The truth? Survival is nearly impossible. Earth would be a lifeless rock for thousands of years. Even if microbes survived deep below the surface, the world we know, gone forever. Luckily, this isn't going to happen anytime soon, but it's a terrifying reminder that our planet is at the mercy of the universe. And if something as familiar as the Moon turned against us, we wouldn't stand a chance. What would you do if you knew the Moon was crashing into Earth tomorrow? Let me know in the comments. If you love mind-blowing what-if scenarios, make sure to subscribe for more. Until next time, keep looking up and hope the Moon stays where it belongs.